Hook up the Whirlpool's water softener to the Wi-Fi. So you open the lid and you see they have all the instruction, IRQ code. It's probably for instruction, but right here it says connect your system to Wi-Fi. So you have to go to app here, Apple Store, and search IQUA2, and it came up here, and you download it. Get. And there it goes, really quick. And of course you gotta create an account and everything. So let me do that real quick. Just open the app. And first you want to do is select the up and down arrow and hold for 3 seconds. And now we'll get the water softener to connect mode. And see the LED Wi-Fi light is on. And then let's jump back on the app here. We're gonna select add device, set up device. Let's find your device. Hopefully it can locate it. Try again here, and sometimes it's kind of hard to, let's see if it finds it here. There it goes. Hit yes. And then set up device. It's gonna device up your Wi-Fi. Let's connect it to your Wi-Fi. So now you gotta select your network. Of course, I can't show you guys the password right to the network. Hopefully this works here. Networks. I think I got the wrong password here. Let me try again here. Okay, here it goes. Okay, it helps when you put the correct password in, right? Now let's manage your device. I'm gonna name it water softener. Don't need all that. Okay, save and continue. Let's manage your 7. Skip this command. I don't need all this here. Country. Skip this. Okay, so let's view detail. So here's the app. As you can see, it's actually pretty cool. Look at that. We hooked this up yesterday, and today we used 38 gallons. So it does tell you the amount of usage you use. Let me show you the app here. It's pretty simple, easy, fast app. Here's your graph, shows your day, week, how much you're using, your status, salt level, water usage. You scroll all the way down. You got your day since the last recharge, which is 11 days. It tells you how many times you recharge, days power up. Treated water valuable. He's got 430 gallons left before the water softener does a recharge. Total water use. So it's pretty efficient, and again, this has a built-in smart system where it does adjust to how much salt you use, so it saves you a little bit on salt. And here is the hookup. It's just a quick overview because I did actually make a video on the actual setup, so you can look at that, look at the content on that, how I hooked this up. Again, it was pretty easy to hook up. I chose the easiest and possible cost-effective way to use it, to install it. Okay. And here you got your valve. Right now, when you pull out, you're in service. When you close it, it's in maintenance. So make sure you have that out. So far we are very happy. We are very happy with the system. we can't complain. You can tell difference when you take a shower. It feels kind of slimy, really slippery. Then I'll also show you a quick test of the water, the outside water, because of course outside water is not softened inside house water. So let me show you that real quick before we end the video.